17 basic wedding photography tips. Hello there, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Taylor Jackson, and I've been a wedding photographer for pretty much 20 years now. And today we're gonna dive into some really basic tips for wedding photographers. Well, I enjoy this Swanson's TV dinner. The potatoes are still frozen. First, we're going to cover 8 photography tips, then 8 business tips, then I'm going to close with the most basic of all the basic tips. Part 1, photography tips. Number 1, know your gear. First and foremost, get comfortable with your camera and lenses. Practice using them in various lighting conditions and settings. Understanding your gear will help you problem solve situations a lot faster on the wedding day. Number 2, scout the location either digitally or in person. Identifying any lighting problems and practicing new techniques before the wedding day will make your life a lot happier. Number 3, shoot in RAW. Always shoot in RAW format. This gives you the flexibility in post-production to adjust exposure, white balance, and other settings without losing image quality. Number 4, have a shot list. Create a shot list for the must-have photos. This includes family portraits, key moments like the first kiss, and any other special requests from the couple. It helps ensure that you don't miss anything important. I also have a free shot list available. I'll put a link in the description. If you're interested, you can go get it and you can start your list from that one. Number 5, use natural light when possible. It's easy to set up. You just have to stand near it. It's flattering and creates beautiful soft images a lot of the time, or it can if you put your subjects in the right spot. Position your subjects near windows or shaded areas to make the most of natural light. Number 6, back up your photos. After the shoot, back up your photos immediately. Use multiple storage solutions like external hard drives and cloud storage to ensure that you don't lose any images. Shoot on 2 cards as well if your camera does that. Number 7, capture candid moments. While pose shots are important, don't forget to capture the candid moments. These natural interactions often result in some of the most memorable and important photos from the wedding day. Number 8, communicate with the couple. Regular communication is key. Understand their vision, their preferences, and any specific shots they want. This helps in delivering a product that meets their expectations. Part 2, business tips. Number 1, build a strong portfolio. A strong portfolio is essential to attract the right clients. Showcase your best work on your website and social media platforms. Include a variety of weddings to demonstrate your versatility. Number 2, network with other vendors. Build relationships with other wedding vendors like planners, florists, and venues. Networking can lead to referrals and collaborations that will benefit your future business. Number 3, clear contracts. Always use a contract to clearly outline what services you're going to provide, the payment terms and delivery timelines, and any other important details. This gets both you and the couple on the same page. Number 4, manage your finances. Keep track of your income and expenses. Use accounting software to manage finances and ensure you're setting enough money aside for both taxes and also when the season gets a little bit slower. Number 5, invest in marketing your business. Use social media, SEO for your website, and even consider paid advertising. Consistent marketing efforts will help you reach a much wider audience. Or if you just want someone to market your business and book you weddings and generate you new inquiries and respond to those emails as well, check out the Focal Ignite program. It's a new program that we just launched. And we're accepting new photographers. You just have to be good at the photography part. And then they'll just do the rest. They'll respond to the emails, they'll book you the work. Number 6, ask for reviews. After delivering final photos, ask your clients for reviews. Positive reviews and testimonials can significantly boost your credibility and attract new clients. Number 7, keep up to date with the latest trends in wedding photography. Attend workshops, follow industry leaders, and continuously educate yourself to stay relevant. Number 8, offer excellent customer service. Provide excellent customer service from the first inquiry all of the way to the final delivery. Prompt responses, professionalism, and a friendly attitude will go a long way in creating a positive experience for your couples. And now, the most basic wedding photography tip, make sure your couples look good and feel good in their photos. They'll like the photos more if they look good in them, and then you'll book more work. I hope you enjoyed these very basic tips. If you are a good photographer and you're interested in having someone else generate new wedding inquiries for you and answer your email and book those new leads, come on through to Focal Ignite and apply now. Goodbye.